This get is called replace with the alphabet position. The task is simple. We have a function that takes a string as an input, and we have to return for all the characters that are in the alphabet its corresponding index. Let's go. Well, first of all, let's create an alphabet. I do the following. I import string, and then I print out string dot ASCII lowercase, and that will give us a string of the entire alphabet. Let's assign it to alphabet. And let's say the following, that we want to have the index of the A. Then we can do the following, print the alphabet, use the .index method, and then pass in the argument, and that would return the corresponding index, that would be 0. And this is what we have to use while iterating through the text. So for letter in text, print the letter. Let's define a condition if the letter in the alphabet, and then print the letter to see what hits we get. We're missing the T, for example. Oh, well, because it's uppercase, of course. Let's start converting the argument to a lowercase string. So text would be equal to text.lower. And then we can find out the corresponding index with alphabet.index and put in the letter as an argument. Yeah, that looks like it. We only have to add up 1 with the index and append it to a new string. That's called index, for example, or index string. We can probably concatenate this because we are dealing with integers. But yeah, I'll show you. Let's return the index string. Yeah, so we have to cast this integer type to a string type. That's easy as this. And we should add a white space, separate the characters from each other. Yeah, and we should add up 1 with the index, of course, as we have seen. But that's very simple as well. Yeah. That's it probably. Oh, well, maybe there is a white space at the end. If we compare this to each other. False. But what we can do to remove the last white space is rstrip, and it will remove the white space at the end by default. True. Okay. This should work out. Attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.